How to quickly make a cup of coffee. Tips: low pressure calls for a finer ground, a heavier dose, or a heavier tamp. High pressure calls for a coarser ground, a lighter dose, or a lighter tamp. It's recommended to add more than 0.5 to 0.6 oz powder for higher extraction pressure. Firmly and evenly tamp down the powder with pressure around 20 to 30 pounds. After placing the funnel in position, press the single or double cup button to start brewing. The optimal extraction pressure is between 9 and 12 bar. Prepare the chilled whole milk in the milk pitcher after pressing the steam button. The indicator will pulse slowly until the steam preheating is completed. Before steaming milk, purge the steam tube for a few seconds to release any moisture and unstable steam. Place steam tube tip just below milk surface. Keep tilting the pitcher slightly to create a whirlpool after turning the knob. Stop stretching when milk expands to your desired degree. After frothing milk, wipe off milk residue immediately. Then open the steam for 2 to 3 seconds to flush out milk inside.